describe the moment you realized trading could become your full-time job. The moment.
2018, working at a grocery store. I was around 17, 18 years old, making minimum wage. I think back then it was like $10.50 or something in Canada. Could be wrong, maybe 11. I was probably making a couple shifts a week, like 10, 12K a year at most. And I started trading in 2019, right? And I was still working there at the time. Or I started trading late 2018, and I was still working in 2019. And by the time, I think probably summer 2019 was when like trading rate took off for me. And those couple of months, I made like triple my income, right? That I made at my grocery store. So that's when I realized, like, wow, these 3 months, like, I made more than I ever made in my life, just trading off my phone, right? So, yeah, that's when I realized, like, yo, fuck this job. I'm gonna go and fucking trade. Like, if I'm making 30K compared to 10K a year, right? 12 months of just, I mean.
Did you quit?
Yeah, I quit. I quit at October 19, 2019.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I still have it on my phone, too. The notes that I told my my boss.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah.
No more deli meat?
No more produce.
Oh, produce.
Chat. That's where celery came from.
Produce. Were you streaming before you quit your job, or were you?
No, I was streaming way after I quit my job. Way after.
Okay.
Yeah.
You were just trading for like over almost a year before you started streaming, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Like a year and something.
You just turned on the camera. Rest is history.
Yep.
I think for me, because I had joined the military, and then at my military training, I wasn't even out yet. I wasn't even out of training yet. I was still, fresh. And a guy showed me Forex while I was in training. He was like, "Oh, it's like stocks. It's like stocks." So I'll make like $10 or whatever. And I did the same. I put like $100 into what was the broker? Traders Way. Traders Way. I put like $100 in there. Made like $50, and I was like, "Damn, I made $50 off this little lot size." It was like a tiny lot, like 0.10. So I was like, imagine it was 100 times this. I could easily, you know what I mean?
I think that's what everyone asks themselves when they're first trading.
Yeah, I wasn't the point where I was like, I made the money. I was like, imagine I made the money, because I didn't make money, but I already knew. I didn't make money for like over a year before that. I mean, till after that. But I already knew that was what I wanted to do. You know what I mean? And I was just going at it. But like literally the first week that I discovered it, I was like, this is it. Like, this is it, chief.
It's that feeling. It's that rush.
Yeah.
But what happened after the account? Like, what happened the next couple trades?
That account got blown. Every account got blown.
Yeah.
Literally every account. My first account that I ever grew like into 4 figures. I was like, this is it. Like,
life.
This is it. And I blew my account on Brexit news, and then I went back to my deli job.
Damn, Brexit.
Not deli, sub shop job. Yeah, rip. Euro USD 2018, June.
That was you?
NFP. I was buying, and it just kept going down, and it kept going down, and I kept buying, and it kept going down, and next thing you know, I lost everything. And you know why it happened? Because I had succeeded at a previous NFP. And I had seen that stupid viral video of the guy making like 50K. Yeah, off of NFP. Everybody's seen that video.
Yeah.
So I saw that stupid video. I was like, this is it. I'm going to make 20 bands in a summer at 20 years old. And that was a 1K account with a 1 to 1,000 leverage. Like, hey, I was like, I could turn 1K to 20K right now. Didn't work.
That was exactly what I did. I think similar leverage, 1 to 1,000. I think I went on my way to get a 1 to 1,000 leverage, and then I loaded 300. It was AUD USD. I think it was interest rates.
Yeah.
And yeah. Similar situation, very similar.
Ridiculous, because it sets you off the rails, and no one ever talks about it, but I always say it is like that first big bad win. I say bad win will ruin you. It'll set you back months. For me, year. Like, it could set you back hard if you win bad, because then you think you can do that on the reg.
It's like casino, honestly. Like, you always see when you lose, you don't feel motivated to come back.
Yeah.
Like, But you win that. You make that bag that one night. Things go really good for you. Man, you're setting yourself up.
Yeah, I mean, like, man, I learned my lesson hard, and honestly, proud of myself because I learned my lesson and I applied it to that time that I was on rollbit.com with the Rollbit NFTs, and I gambled on that website. I could turn like $300 into like $3K on slots, and I actually took all that profit out. I took $2K profit, and then I gambled the profit instead of just like, oh, I made $3K, I could turn this into $30K. Old me would have been, old me would have lost all $3K that I made. But new me, take profit, risk management. Yeah, Rollbit, shout out them. Made a bag off that. Shout out FaZe Banks.